There is no finer gift for mom than unique presents. And this is DIY suggestions for Mother's Day for her mind and her body. The first suggestion, most of these are going to be virtual, which means you will want to print out the website or print out some of the ideas for the gifts, wrap them up very nice and very pretty, and present them in that way. So this is a great way for you to be inventive to help your mom with her mind and body improvement. The first one is Dr. Rinehart, who has her practice, Willow Tree Acupuncture Wellness. It's located in Seminole, Florida, but when you visit her Instagram account, which you'll find in my podcast details and amazing May specials, you will see that there are certain, not exactly virtual treatments, but you can learn about gua sha, probably one of the most effective oriental treatments for our skin. When you visit her Instagram account, she will help you actually use the gua sha. It's a very quick little demonstration. You can purchase the gua sha from her. Therefore, it will be an added item to your virtual classes that you're going to send to your mom. It's all on Instagram. So your mom can connect with her on Instagram. She can certainly make an appointment with Dr. Rinehart if she is local and find out about holistic acupuncture. Holistic acupuncture it's thousands and thousands of years old in practice. Dr. Rinehart is a registered nurse. I would trust no one else with little tiny needles but this young lady. Therefore, when you are thinking about a virtual DIY unique gift, I would certainly connect with Dr. Rinehart. Acupuncture and also using the gua sha can prevent allergies, or at least help you with your allergies, sinuses, your skin tone, stress, high blood pressure. There's so many ways to incorporate holistic acupuncture into your everyday treatments for your self-care. That's why I think this is one of the best DIY gifts for mom, and the fact that you can print out her information, provide your mom with Dr. Rinehart's Instagram account. Your mom can learn about holistic acupuncture and how it will help her be more beautiful and just have beautiful skin and look a little younger with just a little bit of practice every day. That's that's Willow Tree Acupuncture Wellness, Dr. Rinehart. All the information is on my podcast details. The next one, has mom just received a promotion, a career change? Did she open her new company and maybe needs a refresher on public speaking? Is she like millions of others who are absolutely petrified and anxious when she does need to make a presentation? Maybe it's something as simple as an elevator pitch now that she has a new business. How can she condense in 1 or 2 minutes the kind of help that she provides for people? Many people don't realize that if you are doing a career change, you're going for an interview, you really need to use the right words, the right tone of voice, and you need to really look professional. There is a course that can help her refresh and also manage her anxiety when speaking in public. Perhaps she needs to make business presentations. Perhaps she has to attend a conference and speak on a panel. The beauty of this is it's a virtual class. You can sign up for one class for her or give her a gift certificate. The link is right there on the podcast details. It is called Fear of Public Speaking, Manage Your Anxiety. It's a nice short course. It's 45 minutes. You will talk live with the instructor, who happens to be me. But it's a really nice gift if mom is re-entering the workforce, if she needs a refresher on how to make presentations, get her elevator pitched all shiny and new so that she feels very comfortable talking to other people about her business. Remember, when you learn how to speak eloquently, you gain self-confidence, you exude confidence with others, and we are a walking, talking business card. The last suggestion is all about fun. It's about travel. It's from the Road Scholar. What is beautiful about the Road Scholar, because they do cater to the 55 plus folks, there is nothing about their classes. They have free online classes. Some cost $25. The link is on my podcast. But if mom doesn't feel like traveling, getting on a plane, nor does she have the time or the finances, this is such a cool package to give to her also. Some of the programs that they have on there, so it's a virtual class, and she can go on the website. It's on my, as I mentioned, it's on my podcast details. She can go on the website and see which virtual classes she wants, or you can pick them out for her. Such virtual classes as Earth Day Exploration, Whale Migrations and Ocean Conservation, Da Vinci's Harmony, Art and Science. So if she is an art lover, a history buff, or just loves the world of travel and would rather do it at home and an amazing cost at free or $25, what a beautiful gift for your mom. Well, those are your 3 unique DIY gifting for your mom this Mother's Day. You don't have to go shopping. You don't have to order flowers. None of these gifts are going to die and be thrown in the landfill either. So I hope you will certainly look at Dr. Rinehart's website and learn a little bit about gua sha. You can pick those tools up from her. Of course, she has to mail them. But in the meantime, you could still download the information, wrap it up for your mom. You could do all 3 of these because honestly, a lot of them are just virtual and they do not cost that much. Lastly, I also include, as many people know, links to Kundalini Yoga, which I have been practicing for over 30 years. All those classes are free also. Therefore, if your mom wants to get involved with yoga again, these are gentle yoga classes. I'm in my 60s. I don't do that upside down dog. I don't do any of that sunrise mooning thing any longer. I do some gentle exercises every morning now for over 30 years. So check out the Kundalini Yoga classes. The one that I have on there now is about prosperity and protection. We need both. Lastly, this is a season of celebration. We have graduations, we have weddings, we have Mother's Day. I happen to love bubbles. Most mothers love bubbles also. There are suggestions in the last section of this episode that talks about inexpensive wines such as Gruet, which is from New Mexico. And then I do mention one of the world's most exquisite champagnes in the world, and that is Bilkar Saman. Lots of suggestions for DIY, for your mother's unique gifts. They showed you put a little thought together and didn't just call it 1-800-FLOWERS. To wrap this up, I'm Valerie Hale. I create this podcast once a week to help people improve their mindset. Remember, thoughts become things. Choose the good ones. Merci et au revoir.